Hello, viewers and friends. Thank you so much for all your support to our academy and especially our bootcamp program. Many of you are dentists who are watching this video, and you just really want to know how to make your income to grow, how to live a happy and peaceful life. I can tell you only one thing: the more your clinic is planned, the less problems you will have. For example, I'll tell you, do you have a staff who is trained by you? Everyone will say a few things, but do you put your staff in an official training process? Because a training always will give confidence. Do you have staffs who know what to do first, second, third, fourth, like that? So in our boot camp, especially, as you all know, we've been conducting boot camps for the last 5 years, and more than hundreds and hundreds of dentists have been trained, and there are more than 1,000 subscribers in our Malligai Dental Academy channel, where I put every day new content. Almost every day we put content in every subject. Practice management is the thing now. If you are watching this video and if you are really thinking how to plan your life after COVID, there is going to be a lot of protocol, there is going to be lots and lots of things which you should know. Why some dentists are successful and why some dentists are not as successful as some dentists are. Why few dentists are earning less and why few dentists are earning more. These are some of the questions which have to be answered. So if you know and if you want to know the answers for all these questions, you have to purchase my CD, my videos for bootcamp. I have got more than 16 hours of beautiful content recorded in HD for you and for your clinic. You can buy one, download it, and you can show it in your clinic to your participants. Slowly you can watch with your team also. I am going to give you certain freebies as an added value which you can see in a close-up. The most common problem we face in our practice is the financial part. So when you come to a boot camp, our boot camp classes are combined along with two beautiful workbooks called Day 1 book and Day 2 book, and also some few additional charts we have. If you see, I will just show you a glimpse of what we have in this boot camp Day 1 book. You can see there are various topics right from your own personal management to your clinic management. I can show you, if you watch this video and you follow along this book, I can show you the first and foremost thing is your leadership quality. I used to talk about leadership. What kind of qualities you have, whether you are able to boost up your team's morale. After COVID, it is going to be a teamwork. It is not going to be something where you can work all alone. Your team has to be as good as you. So your leadership qualities comes first. So you have classes. The first 1 hour I talk about the leadership quality, and you can assess various qualities based on that. Then second is, as a leader, you know what is your goal is. So you start setting your goal, and many of us, we set goals and we don't follow. They become just wishes. Here I have got a beautiful chart where this is almost 4 to 5 pages of goal setting chart, where you have to write your goals and what are the obstacles you have for your goal and what are the knowledge you need, skills you need, excellent skills, like that. When you classify this, finally in the final sheet you can have your master goal, for which daily activity has to be there, a weekly activity for your master goal, and a monthly activity for your master goal is given. Secondly, once your goal is set, you need to have a strategy to go and reach your goal. You cannot just plan and have a goal without a proper planning. So I have written the strategic planning. Maybe for example, few newcomers, new participants, new doctors are focusing primarily on building up your practice. New patients have to come to you. Doctors like me who have got 15 years of practice, we have got a curve now where we are focusing on satisfying our existing customers than focusing on new customers, because more on retention is our problem, because we have huge clinic now, more doctors are working, so the retention plans the problem of our clinic is retention, because the standard quality of treatment which I give cannot be given by my assistant, or my assistant may be better in certain ways than me. So we have to have standardized protocols. So there are certain principles you have to follow, and the videos will explain you what kind of strategic planning you need to have. This is very important because every company does a strategic planning session before they launch their product or before they launch their company. In dentistry, we don't do all that. For example, if you can see, this kind of effective questions will help you to identify where you stand. For example, you can see what does your clinic do very well. It may be smile designing, it may be aligners, it may be root canal, whatever. So what is your vulnerability? What is your position in the market? Who is your main competitor? How do you rank in comparison with your competitor? Who are your secondary competitors? We have powerful questions for you to understand, and finally once you answer this, keep answering this question, you will ultimately know what kind of strategy you need to follow. So we have in strategic planning session an elaborate detail has been given. The third thing is time management. Okay, for doing all this we should have time management, and here I teach mostly how to have a time block for your clinic. This is a time block chart where everyday activity has been tracked from this 15-minute slot. So right now the time here in my clinic is like 1:45 in the afternoon. So I know from 1:45 till the evening what I have to do. So if you have a plan like this, it will be very easy. So this you can follow up, and you can see the man management. What are the types of management issues you have? Everything is in detail has been discussed in the classes. This notes will give you some idea, and we have marketing in detail. Okay, the basics of marketing is there. First, what is the rules of marketing? What you should do? What is the principles? What is the specialization, differentiation, segmentation, and concentration? So these are the principles you should understand. The detailed classes are there in the videos. So what kind of marketing mix you have to do, and here again competitive analysis, one important thing in marketing. So once you cover up marketing, then we can see a lot of things we teach you recruitment strategies. With this, the day one will get over, and day two is all interpersonal communication. How you communicate with your team, how you communicate with your staff, how to offer prices, how to handle strategies. Here in elaborate you can see I have written all this book myself to people to understand and go through this. Here I will give you a list of scripts. Okay, like I showed you two things already. Patient conversation script is there, pricing script is there, objection handling. The patient will give objection like price is too costly, the other doctor is charging less, and things like that. So how to handle that. Then telephone has become one essential need after post COVID. Without telephone we cannot handle. So how to handle telephone inquiries and customer feedback, how about feedback and staff awareness and everything. So this all has been given in this book, plus sales success. Sales means selling your treatment. Okay, so where is your weak point in selling? We have many points. What is the lifetime value of a patient, how to calculate it, and you can see how to create a sales funnel for your clinic, how to bring more clients every day, so that you can see your collection per day, per month will be not less than 4 to 5 lakhs. How to do that? We have a sales funnel here, and we have a 7-step processing system. This is the process you have to follow. Whenever a patient enters, don't just tell the price. Price telling is here. Okay, what these 3 steps determine the success of these 3 steps. Closing means the patient says okay to your treatment and pay the money, and after that also there is a step called referring. Patient has to be asked for referrals. So my dear friends, you have seen the glimpse. So I will be giving these 2 books to you along with the classes you can follow. Plus I am going to show you some important things. Okay, like once a patient comes inside your clinic, what is the step you have to do? I can show you the SOPs, the ready-made SOPs you can follow. Okay, in finance, in the day 1 finance class, I will be giving you a rough monthly payment. This is an income statement. Like what is the pricing, why pricing of each treatment is important. Pricing of treatment is important. This is a balance sheet, we can say, in finance. How to calculate your fixed cost, how to calculate your variable cost, and why pricing is important. There are many dentists who are underpricing. For example, many dentists, they reduce the price thinking that patient will take treatment and we get money. They don't even know the basics. They have to cover up the fixed cost and everything. So these things are being taught elaborately in the boot camp. And also what are the fixed cost you can incur. There are various things we have written. You can add up your own this thing, and there is something called CVP analysis, cost volume profit analysis, how to calculate your break even point for your product. Suppose you want to open a CBC center, there is a case sheet here, manuscript is here, the Xerox copy which you can follow. And I am giving you a suggested reading of what are the books I recommend you to read. And daily work SOP is there. Every staff has to, by heartly, they should know this. So every clinic should have this kind of protocols. Every clinic should have what are the things for consultation, restoration. If these things are there already in your clinic, the best thing is whenever a new patient, new lady staff comes to you, you can give this for them, and you can train along with this manual. You can tell them these are the things they have to take. And the most important thing is, the most important thing you should understand is the processes. Who is in charge of what, and what is their responsibility in the clinic, and who will do. If anything goes wrong, everyone will blame, this is the guy who was doing, this is the lady who was doing. Instead of blame game, we have to appoint a responsible person. So how to establish that responsibility, I have given, you can just have a closer look now again. You can see this is our organization chart where we have various doctors working with us, and who have got various responsibilities in a day. So everyone has to be assigned responsibility, and your staff will know if there is a lab work, means which doctor to be approached and all that. It has to be there in a picture format. Pictures will be given better understanding. Say for example, in a reception work, there are many work. A receptionist must be playing a role of a secretary for a chief doctor. Plus she has got patient work and administration work. In patient work, she has got daily work, weekly work and monthly work. Monthly means orthodontic appointments, implant recalls and all that. Daily means she has to do reminder calls for the patients. Crown and bridge has to be sent to the lab. Cancellation, rescheduling, the software entries, the account has to be entered, stock and balances. Complaint and services will come. So any patient complaining to the patient has to be recorded, and a lab work has to be monitored. Telephone registers has to be maintained. Consultants will come, their accounts has to be maintained. In administration, we have lab work, ordering materials, accounts, salaries, requirements, training the team and everything. So there are these are workflow process for various treatment. Also we have formulated. These are all ideas you can redo yourself. These things are very important, because say for example, the doctors and staff should know the workflow of your clinic. Suppose an implant workflow is there, okay, you should ask for the lab work, the person who is sending the work to the lab should be asked when it want to be get delivered, which lab to be delivered, which brand of implants, whether it is mentioned or not, what is the type of process, whether it is cement retain or screw retain. These workflow diagrams will really help the staff to understand. And also you can see there is a treatment agreement form. Like some people, they don't even have this form. Patients will say, I was not told, I don't know all this. So these are some of the samples which I have given. Daily expense model sheet has been given, and we have given an elaborate marketing tools also has been given here. Facebook marketing, what are the tools you can use for making videos for your social media and all that. So dear friends, so these are some of the values you get as a person who is attending boot camp. Since because of COVID situation, we are not able to meet face to face, I request you to please contact me. If you buy my videos, I will give you all these tools, necessary tools, also free. I will be couriering it, and you can have a real good work strategy. This is the right time. You can start with this as a note. You have to restart everything, start from this, plan everything, plan your clinic workflow, plan your finances. Everything has been told. Marketing has been told, sales has been covered, business systems, how to create systems, how to train your staff, everything is there in the video. So if you watch the video, it is like gaining 5 to 10 years of experience for you and your team, which is very, very valuable. So dear friends, all these videos comes at the price which has been written in the description. Kindly understand, this is a hard work for me, and this is a useful investment for you. Whatever money you're spending, spend it on these tools, which will be very helpful, because this is how my clinic runs, and we are able to create a huge revenue because of these systems and teamwork. So dear friends, if you are interested, please buy this and get benefited, and I hope I've answered all your questions. Thank you so much for watching this video patiently so far. Thank you and God bless you.